Are you ready to turn your social media presence into a profitable venture? If you're nodding your head, then this video is for you. Today, we will reveal easy-to-implement strategies for monetizing your business's social media content. We'll explore everything from affiliate marketing to direct brand partnerships, providing a comprehensive guide to start earning from your social media platforms. Let's begin with a strategy that you could start implementing right away. This strategy is none other than affiliate marketing. So, what is it? And how can it help you monetize your social media content? Let's find out. Affiliate marketing is a strategy where you, as the affiliate, promote a product or service offered by a business. In return, you earn a commission for every sale made through your unique referral link. Here's how it works. You sign up for an affiliate program that aligns with your brand and audience. Once approved, you receive a unique referral link to share on your social media platforms. When someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. Affiliate marketing offers several benefits. One of the most appealing is the potential for passive income. Your post, with your affiliate link, generates income long after publication. Another advantage is that you don't have to worry about customer support or product fulfillment. That's all handled by the company. Your role is to simply promote the product. Plus, starting with affiliate marketing can be a small investment. All you need is a platform to share your affiliate link. Consider a popular fitness influencer who partners with a sports nutrition company. They share their unique referral link for protein powders or supplements in their workout posts or videos. Their followers, who trust the recommendations and are interested in fitness, click on the link and make purchases. The influencer then earns a commission on each sale. That's the power of affiliate marketing. It's a simple, cost-effective way to monetize your social media content. With the potential of affiliate marketing now clear, let's move on to another strategy that can significantly boost your earnings and enhance your brand's reputation. Brand partnerships are like friendships in the business world. They're collaborations between your brand and another company with a similar audience. You create content that benefits both parties, whether a blog post, a video, or a social media post. Choosing the right brand to partner with is crucial. It's like choosing a dance partner. You have to find someone matching your rhythm. Look for brands that align with your values and resonate with your audience. But how do you approach them? It seems more manageable than it may seem. Start by reaching out to them with a well-crafted proposal. Show them how the partnership could be mutually beneficial. Remember, it's not just about what you can gain, but also what you can offer. Brand partnerships can be incredibly successful. Take, for instance, the collaboration between GoPro and Red Bull. They've created exciting content that showcases the best of both brands, reaching millions of viewers and creating a buzz in their respective industries. So, that's brand partnerships for you, a strategy that helps you monetize your social media content and strengthen your brand's reputation. But we're not done yet. We have a strategy that can help you create a steady income stream while providing exclusive value to your audience. Paid memberships are like VIP clubs within your social media community. They offer your audience exclusive access to premium content in exchange for a regular subscription fee. Paid memberships offer a unique way to monetize your social media content. Platforms like Patreon allow you to create a membership program where your followers can pay a subscription fee for exclusive content. The benefits of this strategy are twofold. For your audience, they get access to unique, high-quality content that isn't available to non-members. For you, it provides a consistent and predictable revenue stream. Instead of relying on ad revenue or one-off sales, you have a dedicated group of followers who provide regular income. An example of a successful paid membership strategy can be seen with many popular podcasts. They offer paid memberships where subscribers get benefits like early access to episodes, ad-free listening, and exclusive bonus content. This strategy provides value to the subscribers and generates a consistent income for the podcast creators. Ever feel like finding the right brand to partner with is like looking for a needle in a haystack? Well, we're all about turning that haystack into a goldmine of opportunities. But before that, if you're enjoying this video and want more insights, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your fellow entrepreneurs, and subscribe to Business Content Creation for more valuable content. Well, influencer marketing platforms are here to turn that haystack into a neatly organized toolbox. Influencer marketing platforms are like digital marketplaces. They bring together brands and influencers under one roof. As an influencer, you create a profile showcasing your work, audience, and unique voice. The platform matches you with brands looking for influencers with your specific profile. The beauty of these platforms? They do the heavy lifting for you. Instead of reaching out to brands individually, these platforms bring the brands directly to you. It's a more efficient and targeted approach to securing brand partnerships. And the best part? It works! Influencers around the globe are partnering with big-name brands and creating content that their audience loves. Influencer marketing platforms are like a bridge, connecting you with brands looking for influencers like you. So that's influencer marketing platforms in a nutshell. It's like turning on a beacon that says, "Hey brands, come find me." Having explored the convenience of influencer marketing platforms, let's now talk about a strategy that offers a more personalized approach. Direct brand partnerships are like going off the beaten path and creating your own trail. Instead of waiting for brands to notice you on an influencer platform, you're making the first move. It's like asking your crush out on a date. A bit nerve-wracking, but the rewards can be oh so sweet. So, what sets direct brand partnerships apart from regular ones? The key difference lies in the direct part. You're not waiting for brands to discover you on an influencer platform. Instead, you're taking the initiative to reach out to the brands that align with your values and audience. The benefits of this approach are numerous. For starters, it allows for more personalized and authentic collaborations. You're in direct contact with the brand, which can lead to a deeper understanding and better representation of the brand in your content. Plus, without a middleman, you may have more negotiation power regarding the terms of your partnership. Let's take some examples. There are plenty of influencers who've successfully asked their favorite brands out. Established direct partnerships. These collaborations often lead to genuine content that resonates with its audience. It's less of a sales pitch and more of a heartfelt recommendation. So that's the lowdown on direct brand partnerships. It's like asking someone out. It takes courage and initiative, but the potential for a meaningful and profitable relationship is there. Have you ever thought about the wealth of knowledge you've accumulated over the years? What if you could turn that knowledge into a product or service that benefits others and generates revenue? Educational products or services can take many forms. It could be an online course teaching people how to start their podcasts, an ebook on photography techniques, or even a one-on-one coaching session for aspiring social media influencers. The key is to identify what valuable knowledge or skills you possess that others might be willing to pay to learn. Monetizing your expertise has several benefits. Firstly, it allows you to create a product or service that directly impacts your audience. You're helping them learn and grow, which can be incredibly rewarding. Secondly, unlike ad revenue or brand partnerships, you have complete control over your educational products or services. You set the price, control the content, and decide how and when it's delivered. For example, you're a fitness influencer with a knack for yoga. You could create an online course teaching beginners the basics of yoga, complete with video tutorials, a downloadable guide, and interactive quizzes. Your followers get to learn from someone they trust and admire, and you get to earn revenue from your expertise. So, that's the essence of selling educational products or services. It's about taking what you know and turning it into something of value for your audience. We hope you found these strategies insightful and inspired to take your social media monetization to the next level. Thank you for watching Business Content Creation. Until next time, keep creating, keep growing, and remember, your content has the power to drive your business success.